Okay, Mike, this video is just for you. This is my Singer sewing machine, and it is an AE047934. Manual is, it's a Singer sewing machine 1588 to 1589, and this particular one was built on December 5th, 1935. And so this is the manual. It's in really good condition. I was gonna show you that all of the decals are still in place on this one. It doesn't have too much wear on it. It's been very well taken care of. This is the tensioner, and this particular bobbin is a case bobbin. As you can see, it's right like that. And this is the table. So it's not a fancy decaled table. It doesn't have a lot of fanciness to it. It came with all these, well, I bought that. This is mine. It came with these attachments. This is a ruffler. This is a second ruffler. This is, I forgot what that is. And it came with a whole box of doohickeys. So I've got a rolled hem foot. There's a bias foot in here. It came with some awesome stuff. And then I just put all my other little doodads in here. It also came with this bag of bobbins. Some of these actually fit the machine and some don't. I bought an extra Treadle thing. So the little foot pedal that you were talking about is right down there. And there are places that I had to oil over here on the ring to get it going. But other than that, it works fine. So I'm mostly figuring out the tension. These were better. This one's a little squishy, but I think that's because I was holding it funny. I think that's a little bit better. Okay. Hope you like that, Mike.